Tapos yung DC Delights is known for, sabi nila, the 14-minute philosophy. Ano ba tong 14-minute philosophy na?
Actually, a lot of people are asking, why are your cookies being baked for 14 minutes?
40. Bakit saktong 4? Bakit may ano?
Di ba pwedeng 13
No.
or...
Di ako pa,
15.
15, di ba? Kasi may butal.
Actually, baking is math and science together. So it's maybe, I don't know, 70-80% scientific kasi chemical reaction siya.
Wow.
So, it's either mababa yung temperature mo but you bake it for a longer period of time or mataas yung temperature ng oven but then you bake it for a short period of time. Parehas may ibang effect sa cookie. So parang pag nagsa-sunbake ka, nagsa-sunbathing ka, pag harsh yung
Sumobra ka
araw
ng
pero
konti,
sunog ka
no?
kaagad.
Oo.
Or yung medyo 3 p.m. na pa 4 p.m. pero you go longer, mas maganda yung tan mo, mas golden. So parang ganun siya. Does that make sense?
I've always been curious kasi yung girlfriend ko, mahilig mag-bake. Yung mommy niya, sobrang galing magluto. Pero lagi niyang sinasabi na
Hindi
iba
ba-
yung baking.
Correct.
Iba. Kasi ang sabi ni Sizzy sa akin or ni CK, pag nagkamali ka lang ng konting sumobra ka na, unlike cooking kasi pwede ka mag-tansya-tansya, di ba?
Correct.
Tikim-tikim. Pero
Correct.
ito talagang
Yes.
1 tablespoon na konting lamang lang, matamis na siya.
That's correct. So basically, when you cook, titikman mo, di ba? Bago
Yeah,
matapos,
yeah.
ay, ang tabang,
Dagdagan ko lang.
ka asin. Ay, ang alat, dagdag ka tubig. Or whatever, cream, chuchu. In baking, makikita mo lang kasing finished product mo.
Tapos
Pagluto na siya.
Di mo siya pwedeng
Hindi
tikman
siya
kasi in the
pwedeng
middle. Ano ka ba?
tikman.
Siyempre, hindi paluto yung
Ay, ang
cookie.
hirap nun. So, ang dami mong batch.
Yes.
Na, 15 minutes to. Ito, 16
Yes,
minutes.
correct. So magastos mag-R&D, mag-research and
Okay.
development pag nagbe-bake than when you're cooking.
Saan galing yung recipe mo pala?
So, I studied baking in Australia. Short course lang.
Okay,
Short course
okay.
lang. So from there, cookies are very basic. Parang yun yung isa sa mga madadaling i-bake. Right? So from there, kunyari, ito yung sa school namin, ito yung recipe. Hindi ko gusto yung ano. Ituturo kasi sa'yo ano yung effect ng bawat ingredient. Like, ang alam lang natin, sugar is a sweetener.
Yeah.
Pero sugar is actually moisture yan. It adds moisture on your baked products. So not just water, not just ganyan. So it'll also teach you ano bang nagagawa ng salt. Kasi chemical reaction lahat yan. Sa atin, alat lang yan. But again, when you put too much salt sa ganitong mag-watery siya. So ganyan siya. So it will, they teach us every single ingredient, yung ginagawa niya. So because I understand that, I'm able to tweak a recipe. So if I want it more chewy, I want it more or crispy on the edges, on the outside, but soft on the inside, I know how to do that. But for you to be able to do that, it involves a lot of research and development.
Napaka-technical pala.
Very, very
Akala ko
technical.
dati, pag chewy lang, ibig sabihin, mabilis lang ininit.
Actually, wala akong alam.
Oo.
Wala akong
Hindi.
alam sabihin.
Tama ka. A lot of cookie brands these days na para maging soft and chewy siya,
Bilis.
half-baked. Pero,
para pag ginanon mo.
Oo,
Yes.
yung chocolate, ano pa,
pero
melted
kasi, it involves eggs, salmonella,
Gets.
So, half-baked, half-cooked din.
Oh,
Okay,
diba?
medyo
So, I will
masama
not risk
naman.
that.
Okay.
So kami, our cookies are actually better the day after. Kasi
Really?
mas chewy siya the day after it was baked. So, hindi alam ng karamihan yon, pero ganun in R&D mo siya eh. Tapos it stays soft for 7 days at least.
Okay, so how many times did you, kumbaga, gaano katagal, how did you end up with 14 minutes? Anong meaning nun?
Ilang beses na trial and
Oo
error
nga eh.
yan.
Di totoo, nung ginagawa ko yung bagong recipe dito sa Pilipinas, it took me 6 months.
Wow.
6 months. Kasi, syempre hindi naman, every day ako nagtatry mag-R&D. Pero may times na, teka, hintayin ko muna ulit yung sweldo para may pambili ako ng bagong ingredients kasi mahal. 'Di ba? Pero 14 minutes kasi, nag-improve na rin yung oven namin. So, ganun siya. Yung oven, yung time. Ano yung best na chewy yung cookie, pero magsistay siyang chewy for days. So, ganun siya. I had to study that. Pero, saying that, 14 minutes is just the tip of the iceberg.
Marami pang.
We actually rest our cookie dough for 48 hours from the time it was made, 48 hours.
So hindi siya yung di ba may mga ganon? Off the oven, kain.
No. So we make the dough.
Okay.
And rest for 48.
We rest it for
and
48
14
hours. And then we weigh it. And then that's the only time we bake it for 14 minutes.
Okay.
And that makes your
chewy.
cookie unique.
Correct.
Then why are you sharing
Yun nga, actually
these
doon ako eh.
things?
With
Kasi-
competition,
Hindi, a lot of bakers know that.
Okay.
Marami,
Kala ko
alam
trade
nila yun.
secret mo yun
Hindi.
personally.
a lot of people do 14.
Not necessarily 14 minutes. It depends on their oven. It depends on their temperature.
So hindi rin yan porket, ay nakita ko kay DC Cookies, 14 minutes. O gawin ko rin 14 minutes.
oo.
Di rin.
Kasi depende. If they use convection oven, meaning may fan sa loob
marami
ng
pang
oven,
secrets.
maraming factor siya.
Maraming
factor siya. So kaya, it's very important that you know how time, temperature, ingredients work together.
Very technical nga.
Very
Oo nga.
technical
So
siya.
hindi lang siya basta 14, hindi ko pwedeng basta gayahin yung 14
Hindi.
minutes.
Oo.
Kasi depende sa oven mo. Kung di ka convection
totoo.
oven,
Oo nga.
25
Sa bagong
ka.
cafe.
Charot.
Sa bagong
25
cafe.
minutes ka.
Oo. Convection oven kasi is mas mainit. Mas mabilis maluto kasi yung heat niya, dinidistribute niya even.
Okay,
So may mga ganyan.
I wanna ask because obviously this is business and alam naman natin competition is always there. How do you like make sure that you're on top of your game? Do you admittedly check the competition? Paano ba yung ano na yung
Oh yeah, definitely. My fiancé now is actually a brand guy before. So tinuruan niya ako na kami dati sa ganito, hindi ko na ako magsasabi na pero toothpaste ang gamit niya.
Okay.
Yung table daw niya, punong-puno ng toothpaste ng competitors.
Ng iba-iba.
So ganon, you have to study your competitor eh. Kasi ano yung, hahanap ka ng, objectively, hahanap ka ng mali nila. Para yun yung, matigas na sila after one day. Okay tayo. Okay. Kasi ganun eh. Kailangan mo aralin yung competitor.
Kailangan ka rin, self-aware.
Yes.
Na, uy, masarap to.
Oo.
Oo,
Hindi
ano?
totoo yun. I actually want to find a cookie na mai-insecure ako. Yung parang,
Nangyari na ba
Sabi
yun?
niya, I want eh. Ibig sabihin, wala pa.
Wala
Hindi,
pa.
Gusto
totoo
ko nga
yan.
sana eh.
Alam mo, sa totoo lang, in all honesty, sabi ko, either dalawa lang yan. Either mai-insecure ako or lalaitin ko. Kasi, pero syempre sa amin na lang yun. Pero inaano namin, tikman mo to. Ano? Yung mga staff ko na minsan yung, pangit ang lasa ma'am, ganyan sila. Sabi ko, wow, kayo naman, huwag kayong bias. Kailangan, kailangan objective ka.
Oo.
So, tas syempre, dapat hindi ka bias. So, I'm my own critic. So, syempre, teka lang. May mga ganyan.
Yeah.
Pero with the success of DC Delights now, 2 kiosks, you have your own cafe, sa tingin mo ba, you will venture into international? Pwede ba yon sa mga cookies
Buhay
ipadala
pa ba sa
abroad?
Australia?
Sorry, say that again?
Buhay pa sa Australia?
Well, hindi. Kasi
Or magpa-franchise ka sa Dubai
Yun.
or Japan?
it is possible. It is possible. But it will take a lot of work.
May natutunan ka bang bagong diskarte? Huwag kang matakot na sumubok. Para sa mga nanay na nag-aalinlangan, para sa mga kabataang takot mag-umpisa, at sa bawat manggagawang nagpapakapagod, para sa inyo to. Kung na-inspire ka, ipaalam mo sa amin. Mag-comment, mag-like, at i-share ang episode na to sa mga kailangan din ng push ngayon. Kita-kits sa Apple Podcasts, Spotify, at YouTube. Discarding Pinoy, powered by Converge. Sama-sama tayong lalaban sa mga aral ng buhay.